Welcome. Tonight is your time to rest, to release, and to reconnect with the quiet strength that has always existed within you. As this day comes to an end, you no longer need to carry its worries, its stress, or its uncertainty. Everything can wait until tomorrow. Right now, your only purpose is to relax completely and allow yourself to drift into a peaceful and healing sleep. Take a long, slow breath in through your nose. Hold it gently for a moment. Now slowly breathe out, allowing every muscle in your body to soften. Again, breathe in calmness. Breathe out tension. Feel your body becoming heavier with every breath. Your shoulders relax. Your face becomes peaceful. Your arms rest comfortably. Your legs feel completely relaxed. Your heartbeat becomes slow and steady. As your body relaxes, your subconscious mind naturally becomes more open. Even while you sleep, your subconscious continues listening, learning, organizing, and strengthening the beliefs that shape your daily life. Tonight, you are choosing thoughts that bring peace, confidence, gratitude, and emotional freedom. Imagine yourself lying beneath an endless sky filled with brilliant stars. Above you, a gentle golden light begins to shine. It feels warm, loving, and completely safe. This beautiful light slowly surrounds your entire body, filling every cell with calmness and positive energy. As this golden light reaches your mind, every negative thought begins to dissolve. Every fear becomes smaller. Every worry becomes quieter. Every doubt loses its power. Your mind becomes clear. Your heart becomes peaceful. Your soul feels lighter. Now silently repeat these affirmations within yourself. I am safe. I am peaceful. I am calm. I am worthy. I am enough. I believe in myself. I trust my journey. I welcome positive change. I welcome healing. I welcome abundance. I welcome joy. I welcome new opportunities. Every word I hear tonight strengthens my inner peace. Every peaceful thought becomes part of my subconscious. Every breath fills me with confidence. Your subconscious accepts these positive beliefs easily and naturally. There is no resistance. There is only gentle acceptance. Every peaceful word becomes a seed planted deep within your mind, growing stronger while you sleep. Imagine standing in a beautiful forest beneath the moonlight. The air is fresh. The trees are tall and peaceful. A gentle breeze moves through the leaves, carrying away every limiting belief you have ever held. You no longer believe that you're limited. You no longer believe that you're not capable. You no longer believe that happiness is out of reach. Instead, you know that every new day gives you another opportunity to grow. Every experience teaches you something valuable. Every challenge makes you wiser. Every setback prepares you for future success. As you continue walking through the forest, you discover a peaceful lake reflecting thousands of stars. The water is perfectly still. As you look into its reflection, you see the highest version of yourself. You see someone who smiles with confidence. Someone who speaks with kindness. Someone who remains calm under pressure. Someone who trusts themselves completely. Someone who wakes every morning filled with purpose. This person is not separate from you. This person already exists within you. Tonight your subconscious remembers this truth. Quietly repeat these affirmations. My subconscious supports my highest good. My mind creates positive habits. My thoughts become healthier every day. My confidence grows naturally. My emotional strength increases every day. I forgive myself. I forgive my past. I release what I cannot control. I choose peace. I choose gratitude. I choose patience. I choose courage. I choose love. I choose hope. Your breathing becomes even slower now. Your body feels wonderfully heavy. Your mind becomes beautifully quiet. Every word gently settles into your subconscious like soft rain nourishing fertile ground. Imagine thousands of tiny golden lights surrounding you. Every light represents one positive belief growing stronger inside your mind. One light represents confidence. Another represents patience. Another represents gratitude. Another represents wisdom. Another represents resilience. Another represents self-love. Together they illuminate your entire being. Your subconscious quietly strengthens these qualities throughout the night. While you sleep, your mind becomes calmer. Your emotions become more balanced. Your confidence becomes stronger. Your fears become weaker. Your heart becomes lighter. Tomorrow morning, when you awaken, you notice something different. You feel refreshed. You feel optimistic. You feel emotionally stronger. You speak more confidently. You smile more easily. You approach challenges with patience. You notice opportunities that once seemed invisible. You trust yourself. You trust your future. You trust that every step forward matters. Every positive thought creates another positive thought. Every grateful moment attracts another reason to be grateful. Every peaceful decision strengthens your future. Now allow these affirmations to flow effortlessly through your subconscious. I am becoming the person I choose to be. I deserve happiness. I deserve peace. I deserve abundance. I deserve healthy relationships. I deserve success. I deserve emotional freedom. I am grateful for today. I am excited for tomorrow. My future is bright. My mind is powerful. My heart is peaceful. My spirit is strong. Every night I become wiser. Every morning I become stronger. Every day I become happier. Imagine a beautiful sunrise slowly appearing beyond distant mountains. The warm golden light fills the entire landscape. This sunrise represents your future. A future filled with peace. A future filled with confidence. A future filled with purpose. A future filled with meaningful relationships. A future filled with opportunities. A future filled with gratitude. Know that your subconscious is already preparing you for that future. Every peaceful night moves you closer. Every positive affirmation strengthens your emotional foundation. Every restful sleep renews your body, your mind, and your spirit. There is nothing more you need to do. Simply breathe. Simply relax. Simply allow yourself to drift deeper and deeper into peaceful sleep. As you continue resting, your subconscious continues absorbing every positive word, strengthening every empowering belief, and gently guiding you toward a life filled with confidence, wisdom, gratitude, emotional freedom, abundance, lasting inner peace, and quiet joy. Sleep deeply. Sleep peacefully. Sleep with hope. And awaken tomorrow feeling renewed, inspired, and ready to embrace the beautiful possibilities waiting for you.